your underwear. It's more than just a piece of clothing. It's the first thing you put on in the morning, setting the tone for your entire day. And the last thing you take off at night, marking the end of your daily journey. It's important to treat your underwear with care because it directly affects your vaginal health. Proper hygiene and material choice are crucial. The wrong underwear choices can lead to discomfort, irritation, and even infections. Avoid synthetic fabrics and tight fits. Taking care of your underwear is a form of self-care. It's about feeling good and staying healthy. When you feel good in your underwear, you feel good about yourself. Confidence starts from within. So, let's learn how to give your underwear the TLC it deserves. From washing tips to storage solutions, we've got you covered. Okay, ladies, let's talk about common underwear mistakes that many of us make without even realizing it. First up, wearing dirty underwear. It might seem like a no-brainer, but sometimes we get busy or forget. It sounds obvious, but life happens. Always start your day with a fresh pair. Clean underwear helps you feel fresh and confident. Next, don't even think about wearing wet underwear. Wet fabric can cause a lot of discomfort and health issues. Moisture trapped against your skin is a breeding ground for bacteria and yeast infections. Always make sure your underwear is completely dry before wearing it. Another no-no? Ignoring discharge stains. It's important to pay attention to what your body is telling you. Discharge is normal, but excessive discharge or changes in color or odor could be a sign of an infection. Don't ignore these signs. See your doctor if you notice anything unusual. It's always better to be safe and get a professional opinion. Finally, resist the urge to wear tight underwear every day. Tight underwear can restrict airflow and cause irritation. Give your skin a chance to breathe. Opt for loose, comfortable, and breathable fabrics like cotton to keep your skin healthy and happy. Washing your underwear doesn't require a science degree, but there are a few tricks to keeping things fresh. First, always check the care label. These labels provide essential information on how to properly care for your garments. Different fabrics require different washing instructions. Generally, hot water is best for killing bacteria and ensuring a thorough clean, but some delicate fabrics might need cold water to prevent damage. Use a gentle detergent, preferably one that's free of dyes and fragrances, to avoid any harsh chemicals. These can irritate sensitive skin and cause discomfort. And please, for the love of all things clean, don't wash your underwear with your gym clothes. Mixing sweaty, bacteria-laden gym clothes with your delicate underwear is a recipe for disaster. That's just asking for trouble. Air drying your underwear is ideal because it helps maintain the fabric's integrity and elasticity. But if you must use a dryer, choose a low heat setting to prevent shrinkage and damage. Taking these extra steps ensures your underwear stays fresh, clean, and comfortable for longer. Section 4. Choosing comfort. Fabrics and fit. Ladies, comfort is key. When it comes to underwear fabric, cotton is king. It's breathable, absorbent, and gentle on the skin. However, seamless underwear made from moisture-wicking fabrics can be a lifesaver during workouts or hot days. Fit is just as important as fabric. Choose underwear that fits snugly, but not too tightly. Avoid underwear that digs into your skin or creates bulges. Remember, underwear should make you feel confident and comfortable, never self-conscious. Section 5. The importance of hygiene and comfort. We've covered a lot of ground, but let's circle back to the importance of hygiene and comfort when it comes to your underwear. Maintaining good hygiene down there isn't just about smelling fresh. It's about preventing infections and feeling your best. Comfort is equally important. When you're comfortable in your underwear, you feel more confident and less distracted. Choose underwear that feels good against your skin and allows you to move freely. Section 6. Your undies, your health. Remember, ladies, Taking care of your underwear is about more than just aesthetics. It's about prioritizing your health and well-being. By making smart choices about your underwear, you can prevent discomfort, infections, and feel confident in your own skin. So, go forth and treat your underwear with the respect it deserves. Your vagina will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See you in the next.